me dofupa. What to say? Mate ho ya me danyame ase. Onyame ehira na mesra ma. Na dum emra wo so. Na ye die enware wo anapawe na nwumre. Aha Adom TV. Na dwumadie we ye Nkuranhyensem. Me a me de ho chia me, edi am je so ni tekotego. Me nko asa na efre me. If your life were to be a house, or if your life were to have been made up by 4 walls, 1, 2, 3, 4. So abrabo asheshede enan esoro nifa benkum ne efom. How would it look like? You know, if your marriage, if your health, if your life were to have been made up of 4 walls, up, left, right, and down, what will each wall depict? For me, my life has 4 walls. And I have decided to build the 4 walls with first me at the top. So the upper wall is me. Until wabrabo near that shono eye wo. The be kura wo e wo soro no eye nioma miensa. The jam nifa benkum ena na e wo fom. Me fama brabo a. The benkum me friend discipline. How do I subject myself to standards? High standards of living. Am I disciplined in my life? Am I responsible? How do I show respect to others? How integrous am I? Benkum wono asumi wa hohyeso. Benkum asumi opepepe yo. Benkum asumi di no kure. Benkum asumi di obuo mankrofo a me ne on ekoba. So the left wall is built by standards. The right wall is generosity, selfless. Se me to me wasi wa ya ade ma obi anya mfaso. Se be pe ade e safata na mayo na mabusua ene wo man mfaso abamu. Emfa ho ne amenya. Are you generous? Se me ya ade na me hukani ani agye. Se me ya ade na me ma ahwa ton won. Se me ya ade na me bro no amete so so wo hu no me so mfaso. Am I being generous? That is my right wall. Now, the wall beneath is to be resolute. I'm desperate for results. You can't resolute. Me pe. Abrabo, enyomapa. Desperate for results. So these are the 3 walls that carry neat ekotego. Discipline, generosity, and being resolute. Also, bet you wall. The walls you build for your life will determine how far you go in life. And then the person will be saying, what are the walls of marriage? The first wall of marriage is being passionate. Or being passionate. The second wall is being intimate, having a sense of communication. Being there with the person and joining hands to make decisions together. So woni ni pakro tie na okon do no abribiara na efe woni ni nyankita hodi a sabi obuo ene nyansan wo mu enya bufuo ene oyawdie na ase no eye commitment se wasi nkete se mewa wawu. These are the 3 walls of marriage: passion, intimacy, and commitment. For this year, there are wars, sacrifice, and everyone says, "To me, jam." And for echo dance, what they are sing, kete mi suadi. And for sabi, dia attain, funny day man for what they are sing, kete say, "Me metua asheda, me dia safata." And I'm learning at this year. And akura no so one kasa wo so ho ahwe ehunu say udimu self assessment. abrabo a yɛbue no ɛyɛ walls. Life is made up of walls, and you are sitting at the top. The kind of walls you build will make your life stand strong or it will crumble. When it comes to marriage, when it comes to health, ɛba no apɔmudini exercise. Sɛ wo tenten wapom exercise. Sɛ wo pɛ aduane pɛ die nya didie kɛkɛ, nya dɔkoro kye nam no kɛkɛ. Sɛ wo di aduane pa, aduane ahoɔden wɔ mu, aduane adodie wɔ mu, vitamins wɔ mu. Exercise and good eating and rest and sleep. Sɛ wo pɛ emre ada yie. That will give you a good life. Exercise, balanced diet, and good sleep. But on top of good sleep are good relationships. Unya nkita hudie papa na oni nkofo di nkita ho a wabra boy de papa, or what we call social support systems. These are the walls that build a healthy life. Exercises, balanced diets, rest and sleep, and solid relationships. The first one, me mauni teko, me walls. Also, bet me ashwa abrabo ma bisa wo be na mi sema ma abrabo because me first wall na e wo benkum no e discipline. One me hyehyɛ wall no ba discipline. Generosity. Me na mete ha say walls no eni ahoden a meto fam. So walls ni gina ho e wo ahoden a megina afebɔ. The walls you react for your life determines how you can go in life. Whether in your family, whether in your relationships, whether in your education, whether when it comes to, let's say, your marriage, the walls you build will determine how far you can go. I have built my life walls. Sometimes things change. You can always change the walls you built. You can always remove one wall and replace them. There are times I replace and bring respect. There are times I bring responsibility. There are times I bring innovation. And there are times I bring being resolute. But whatever it is, build walls for your life. Walls. Walls are important for a great life. Walls are important for a very rewarding life. Every life you see around is made up of walls. And the walls you build will determine how strong your life will be. For some people, they build lives of godliness. For some also build life based on the word of God. And some also build life based on fellowship. Good. But regardless, you should have wisdom. Nyansa. And wisdom is made up of knowledge and understanding. And so when you see who and entiase or the abesuano. So betime asi wala nyansa. Betime asi wala ya dwumaden. Na also asi wala sebe. Say what two one see or say we dey sefata. There are so many ways you can build your walls. But I have chosen to build my walls based on discipline, generosity, and resolute. I don't know how you want to build your walls. But you can build your walls. From today, I know you have what it takes to build strong walls in life. Build a strong wall. Ma brabo anshishaye enyina fapim papaso. Na yedi ebedwaro. Abusuan ha na meja wo. Me ko na me da Thomas, me camera ase. Me da Frank, me sound. Na ma da MCR for ne floor manager and a lighting for ase. Na ma ko production na ma da Sarah, Thomas, Priscilla, da chehine anywhere be can pedo ase. Wa hwe me so na ase nya wo de. Woni onyame. Ent. Me dofo pa.